Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy. In today's daily guitar tip, we're going to be taking a look at a couple cool southern rock licks. I'm going to give a shout out to one of my guitar students, Colin. He wanted to play the song Highway Song by Blackfoot. And so we were working on the guitar leads, and I thought, hey, these are some classic southern rock licks in here. They sound really cool. So I thought I would give him a shout out since this is where the inspiration for this daily guitar tip came from. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first lick. All right, so if we slow the lick down, it's going to go. Now, if you actually look at the tab there, it doesn't show a pull-off from beats 2, the 15 to the 12. But I pull it off anyways. I guess you could. You could go ahead and pick it if you want, but I think it's more fun to just go ahead and pull off everything. All right? I think it's a really cool lick. For whatever reason, when we were doing this song, this is just a lick I haven't played in a while, and it really stood out to me. It really sounds like Blackfoot. It sounds like Lynyrd Skynyrd. So if we play through that slowly, it's going to go. If you would like to get a printable PDF of these guitar licks, then there's going to be a link right down in the description. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the second lick. For this second riff, I think this one's probably the most common pentatonic style guitar riff that you're going to see in southern rock. And you're going like this. It really sounds fun. You can play it anywhere if you're doing it in G, A, B, kind of anywhere you have pentatonic, they go like this. This would be E minor position number 1, right there. And all right, so if we slow it down, we're doing 15 to 12 as a pull off. Then I pluck down on 15. I think I come up on the 12s. So to me, this is my a classic picking pattern, where the pattern really doesn't start until the 15. Where I go down on 15, down on 12, and then I come up on 15 and do the pull-off. So what ends up happening, it feels like you're going down, down, up, down, down, up. What happens, it becomes a really smooth, you're kind of almost sweeping the 15 and 12. So I would go ahead and pick up on 15 to start it, pull off, and then pick down on the next 15 on the second string, and then just drop your pick down instead of individually picking it. So you're going. That skill there that I'm doing of going down, down, up. There's all kinds of guitar licks pentatonic guitar licks that you can use that picking style with, and that was lick number 2. Let's go ahead and take a look at the last guitar lick. For lick number 3, I think this is a real classic southern rock lick, and it's also a rock lick. Like, I know this lick from Led Zeppelin going. So it's going to go like this. You can do it really fast. You can do it in any key. If I want to do it in A minor, up here. So it's a great lick. It's very movable, and it's pentatonic. It's out of position number 1. It's right out of that position. All right. So if we slow it down, we're going. Once again, this is another lick, just like the last one, where I'm going to go ahead and pick up on the first. Now I'm going to pick up on 15, pull off, and then pick down on 12 on the second string, and keep doing that pattern over and over. Up, pull off, down. You can play it slow, you can play it fast. It sounds really sweet either way. That was lick number 3. It's a real cool southern rock or classic rock lick. If you like this daily guitar tip and you love to rock, then consider subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next lesson.